Hello friends, I am Purnima Bahuguna and I am a naturopath. And naturopathy believes in treating its patients naturally. Honey and onions instant cough remedy. Coughing is one of the body's defense mechanisms which is produced by an abrupt, explosive emptying of the air from the lungs. The purpose is to expel foreign or damaging substances which are in the respiratory airways. A cough can be dry or productive. When a cough is productive, it is accompanied by mucus, also called phlegm or sputum. It should not be contained since this is the way the body eliminates excess mucus in the respiratory airways. On the other hand, a dry cough is not the result of expectoration but a possible irritation or infection that, if not treated early, can turn into something chronic. Regardless of the type of cough that a person may have, most people resort to syrups and other medicines in an attempt to control their symptoms. However, the excessive use of medicines and syrups can have side effects to your health, for which we recommend you look for natural alternatives. The natural ingredients to relieve a cough can have expectorant and calming properties which will help to eliminate phlegm and further will help calm the irritation. These ingredients act as an antibiotic capable of fighting the microorganisms which attack the respiratory airways. In this video, I'll share with you the famous natural syrup made from honey and onion. Many of you might have tried it as well in your childhood. Yes, when I'll share the recipe with you, I'm sure that will trigger a reminder in your brain. Now, coming to the ingredients, you need 1 onion and 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, which is 1.5 to 2.5 ounces of honey. Now, if you are using it for a child less than 13 years of age, then keep it 2 tablespoons of honey for 1 onion used. And the onion is, which I'm talking about, is of medium size. Let me tell you, my 5-year-old takes it without diluting it with water, so it's perfectly safe. It is recommended that you take a tablespoon of this syrup every 2 hours for best results. Whichever recipe you choose, it is important to know that the results are not immediate. I'm talking about the natural recipes. I just shared one of the natural dry cough recipe with you, and in summers we mostly have dry cough issues. So this is a perfect solution for you. Trust me, I use the same solution for my 5-year-old and my 7-year-old daughters. In order for the remedy to work as a calming agent, it is necessary to take it in various doses. Only then can it help you to cope with the cough. Thank you and have happy and healthy summers. Bye-bye. For any query, you can contact us at 999-0789-726. This is the WhatsApp number too. You can email us also at ourhealthmantra@gmail.com. Do visit our FB page, Our Health Mantra, for more such health mantras. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy and fit. Bye.